Hello, my YouTube friends! I'm Scarlett and welcome to Korean Teacher's Cooking Class. I'm going to make Korean food called seafood leek pancake. In Korean, it's called 해물부추전. Can you repeat to me twice? 해물부추전. 해물부추전. This is the ingredient we need. We need Korean pancake mix called 부침가루. Can you repeat to me twice? 부침가루. 부침가루. And we need the eggs. Egg in Korean is called 계란. Can you repeat to me twice? 계란. 계란. And we have some seafood. We have squid and shrimp. Squid in Korean, it's called 오징어. Can you repeat to me twice? 오징어. 오징어. And shrimp in Korean is called 새우. Can you repeat to me twice? 새우. 새우. And we have a cup of water. Water in Korean is called 물. Can you repeat to me twice? 물. 물. And we need a pinch of salt. So I have the salt. Salt in Korean is called 소금. Can you repeat to me twice? 소금. 소금. And this is the main ingredient. We have a half of onion. Onion in Korean is called 양파. Can you repeat to me twice? 양파. 양파. And leeks. Leeks in Korean is called 부추. Can you repeat to me twice? 부추. 부추. First of all, put a cup of Korean pancake mix. We're gonna put 부침가루 in the bowl and a cup of water, 물, in the bowl and a pinch of salt. We're gonna put 소금 in the bowl. I am finished putting 부침가루, 물, and 소금 in the bowl, and I'm gonna add egg. I'm gonna add 계란. And then mix. This is the dough that I made, and I'm gonna include all the ingredients into the bowl and mix well. I'm going to add the leeks and onion. I'm gonna add 부추 and 양파. And I'm going to include the seafood. I'm going to include the shrimp and squid. I'm going to include the 새우 and 오징어. Coat the frying pan with the cooking oil. Cooking oil in Korean is called 식용유. Repeat after me. 식용유. 식용유. And wait until it gets hot. Seafood leek pancake is done. We eat 해물부추전 with soy sauce. Soy sauce in Korean is called 간장. Repeat after me. 간장. 간장.